This is the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5, a machine built for thrill seekers and performance lovers. With its aggressive styling, advanced technology, and race-inspired DNA, this bike is designed to dominate both the streets and the track. The design of the R15 V5 takes inspiration from Yamaha's racing heritage. The sharp front fascia, integrated winglets, and twin LED projector headlights not only give it an aggressive stance but also enhance aerodynamics for maximum performance. Step onto the saddle, and you're greeted by a rider-focused cockpit. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time ride data, while the premium switchgear and clip-on handlebars ensure a sporty yet comfortable riding position, perfect for carving corners. Under the fairings, the heart of the R15 V5 is a refined 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation, VVA. This delivers an exhilarating balance of power and efficiency, making it the perfect companion for both city commutes and weekend rides. With its lightweight Delta box frame, USD forks, and an advanced traction control system, the R15 V5 delivers razor-sharp handling. Whether you're leaning into corners or accelerating on a straight, the bike remains stable and confidence-inspiring. More than just a sports bike, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is a statement of speed, precision, and innovation. It's built for riders who crave the rush of performance while embracing the latest in motorcycle technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.